Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Julian, and today we'll be talking about mourning and dancing. Have you ever found yourself in a place of mourning? We've all gone through hard times, like losing a job, having a parent walk out on you, losing a loved one, and not to mention 2020. Whatever that is for you, life can get tough. Or maybe you've experienced joy that just overtakes you, that you just can't help but dance. Those truly are my favorite moments in life. I remember the joy I felt the day I got married. It was one of the most fun and joyous days of my life. We danced the night away with friends and family. I never wanted it to end. Now, I'm naturally a positive guy who loves to have fun, and it's really hard to bring me down. But if I'm honest, 2020 brought on a lot of heartache and pain. I found myself in mourning over a lot of things that happened. I didn't enjoy that at all, but my wife pushed me to embrace it and let it out. So I cried more in 2020 than I did in my entire life. And you know what I found through that? Freedom. Look with me in the second part of Ecclesiastes 3:4. A time to mourn and a time to dance. You're probably asking yourself, okay, what am I supposed to even do with that? Well, there's an important lesson in this passage. We're all going to go through seasons where everything just seems perfect and nothing could ever go wrong. But we're also going to face trials that will suck the joy right out of us. The truth is, I never want to mourn in my trials because it typically hurts deep in my soul and I don't like the way that feels. But what I've learned is that there is healing in my mourning. It can help bring fresh perspective. It can help you remember the good in your life. Like if you've lost a loved one, mourning can help you remember all the good times you had and how much they meant to you. Out of your mourning comes a new day to look forward to. In fact, after you've mourned, joy feels a little bit sweeter than before. What about dancing? You're probably thinking, I have no rhythm. Well, I'd like to challenge that. It's not about rhythm or learning a new dance on TikTok. It's about having joy that cannot be contained. Just like David danced in 2 Samuel 6:14. He was so overjoyed that God allowed the Ark of the Covenant to enter Jerusalem that he praised God with all that he had and danced through the city full of joy. But just a few chapters before, he was in mourning because Saul took his life and everyone who had lost their lives in battle. So take the time to mourn. Embrace it because it's important to remember and allow God to work through your pain. And take the time to dance because God truly is good and you will find joy in your dancing.